Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. Welcome back to part 2. So in part 1, I made this nice, beautiful, blue, sparkly, fluffy slime. And I thought, might as well just do a part 2. So I still have some slime on my hands, and the bowl's still dirty, but it will work anyway. So, let's get on with the video. Yo. Do you guys know where I got that from? Comment down below. So, remember guys, this is the glue that I was trying to finish. Still has a lot. So this time I think I'm going to do a earthy green. A grassy green. Okay, so I got my grassy green eggs and ham. Let's see. I like the color green, it's really nice. So, I don't know how to show you because I don't want to tip it. That is what I got so far. So let's move on. I'm thinking, do I want glitter? Yeah, I'm gonna add glitter. I love glitter. It's awesome. It's like my life. So I'm gonna mix that in. And then I'm going to take my shaving cream, favorite part of all. Adding that in. I love the small shaving cream. Do you guys? It became like really light, so I'm gonna add more of the coloring. I like this lightness, so I'm just gonna add it this, and now I'm gonna go like that. I added some of my activator. My active. I think I went in too early again. Oh, look at how dirty that is. I think I'm gonna have to add more. Okay, so this is very liquidy and chunky. I really need to fix this. Guys, look at this disgustingness. Like, I have lots of glue in that, but I think I should do this first. So these are really not stretchy because of the shaving cream, most likely, or like something happened, but it's like they're really sticky at first, and then you keep adding more activator, and then at the end they're really hard, but they're really soft. Like, I don't like stretching them, I like poking the softness. I'm gonna mix a little bit at a time with the really like liquidy parts. Actually, I think I'm just gonna add activator to them. It's like they're really slimy. So let's go like this. Add those. So guys, right now, since I still have time, I think I am going to make this nice green one. Mix with this nice blue one. So yeah, let me just get this all off my hands. Okay, so first we'll get the blue and we'll stretch it like that. Then we'll get this one and stretch it out like that. And then I'm going to twist these together. My aunt is here today. Her name is Marilyn. And my cousin Ben, the cameraman. Oh my god, guys, look at that. They're both here. Yeah, so they're over there talking. Yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. For me, it's like really hard to mix slimes. So go check out part 3. I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna be doing stuff. Okay, bye people.